So hello guys, this is a very new site you can earn from this site by working daily, and this is very simple to sign up. Just you have to put your email in this email box, and just you need to make a password for sign up. And very simple, this is a microsite, and every day you can do so many numerous tasks from this website, and it's very simple to complete the task and submit for review, and they will pay you after you complete the task every day, based on your work. Like if you got approval, your money will add in your account. Like I am doing just a review work now. For example, like this is a review task I have to do. Their buyer give this task to complete a review in his Trustpilot account, then he will pay me. So what I need to do that, very simple. This is just I need to click on the complete task. Then I have to visit this website, and I need to submit a document like what is my uh, user ID and what is the screenshot I have written about this website. So first, this is a Trustpilot. I need to sign in here to write a review for this website, like gift cards selling and buying. So I need to first sign up. If you have Google, you can use Google Gmail, and otherwise you can any Gmail for sign up here. I am continuing with Google. It's very easy to sign up with Google. Just click on the Gmail and then give access. That's it. So continue. After that, I have to click on this box. Okay, no problem. Okay, now see what I am doing here. I will write a review, and I will give the user name of my account and the screenshot I have written. That's it. So for that, I need to first find out my username. This is my username, SDDD. So I need to copy it, and just to copy and paste it in here. Okay, now see what happened. My username is there. Now I need a screenshot, and that's it. So first I need to go here again. Okay, now I will write a review, like a right click on there, and so I'm going to give 5 star. Okay, this is the site, and I'm going to give 5 star. After that, I can copy what others have written about this, or you can write a new review. So as other people also written, I can paste that, but this is not good, because repeated tasks, repeated text can be not approval my task. So I just write a different review. For that, I can go to ChatGPT and just make a simple review by ChatGPT, which is very engaging or short and simple. Okay, so what I have done is just making it review from ChatGPT. I can copy that, or also I can add more text for into this, like okay. Now see what I have done. I just copy it, and I had to paste it in here, and title already selected, and okay, today, and submit. So my task is done. My task is completed. See, thanks for your review. I need to take a screenshot of this, and so I need to screen tool, like this is the name of scripting tool. Okay, for a screenshot, I am just taking a whole side screenshot very clearly to submit my task. Okay, just need to save it before submit. Okay, now what I am going to do is very simple. Just paste it in here, and I need to write something like, hi, I have completed this task. Okay, just it, that's it you have to do. Your username you have to write, and you have done the work, the proof you have to submit, like okay, hi, I have completed the task. That's it. Okay, and I need to keep the screenshot here, and done. Now click on send report. That's it. So see, my task is completed, and this is very simple. There is so many tasks you can do every day. My task is already completed, and you can filter out by categories like reviews, and by sign up and click or web surfing or social media. So numerous tasks is uh, pasted in here. I mean, you can uh, do this by filtering what you wish to do. Like this is a Gmail work, you have to give a Gmail, or there is so many social media work, like you have to subscribe on YouTube, subscribe on Instagram channel. That's it. So many numerous tasks is here. There is 18 plus Twitter channel. They pay for subscribe those channel, subscribe to Facebook page. Like this, so many tasks you can do every day by this website. So if you have no experience about the micro site or online work, you can start from this website, and I hope you can make some bucks for daily very easily. So thank you for watching this video. I hope uh, you can start it this very uh, soon. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.